Good morning, folks. That's what this YouTube thing's done to me. It's made me insecure. I've had that for 60 years. My granddaughter Ophelia the other day sat on my lap and just went boop, put her finger on it, didn't say a word. I said, okay, honey, I'm feeling what you're saying. So, I had it cut off. We'll see how good it looks. I know right now it's not good. And I know with women with cleavage, I know what they feel like now, because everybody just looks at that. We are in Monroe. We're removing an above ground oil tank in a tight crawl space, but man, was I happy. As soon as I opened up that small area, they had a little dolly. So I'm going to be sliding in and out of the spot on that dolly, so a little excited. Maybe we'll put a string on it and they can pull me back and forth. So that's it. That's what we're doing. That's how we'll finish a Friday. Wonderful. We're in Monroe, New York. Doesn't seem like it'll be that difficult of a project. Just trying to determine how much product is in it before we put a Sawzall on it. We've got to turn this vehicle around and back it in the other way, because it's a lot easier to back it in that way. And then our project will begin. Okay, folks, here we are.
Hello.
In Monroe, in the basement. Look at my setup. This is perfect. All right, Corey. So we've got how much product?
It says 0.
It reads 0.
Yeah.
Give a little tap along the end cap. See that? That's a little tip of the trade right there. So that's for the corrosion that I was seeing. That bottom looks good.
Not too bad.
Not
a little
too bad.
corroded.
All right. So what's the first thing you're gonna do?
I'm gonna open up one of these and see how much is in there.
All right. I see that the vent pipe has been removed.
They're both
removed.
And
Wow.
This is what's right here.
Okay. All right. Go right ahead.
Why is the tall guy doing this?
You could have just went straight.
Boy, once we start cutting, it's gonna be loud down here.
Yeah, it is. Oh, that's my head.
He's opening that just so he can tilt the Sawzall down in it and get it cut. So he's probably just going to cut down along here. Yep, and over. So we can do our cleaning. You've all seen the process. They're all struggling, but I'm just sitting in this car at night. Corey is removing the sight gauge. Was the bottom of it wet? A little bit. So that tells you there's at least how many inches in there?
2, 3. 3.
3 or 4, correct. Wonder, does it look as if those legs are actually concreted right in or just sitting on it?
No, they're sitting because this was on.
Oh, that one's on a rock.
It's on a rock. That's a nice shim. That's why you never trust these sight gauges, because that thing was reading empty. And that's got a substantial amount, so we thought we were just going to bucket it out of here. Now we got to go get the hose and we'll pump it. So now we got to run the hose. Even though I have that cart sliding in and out of there on my back. Oh, that's nice. Didn't even know that was there. Okay, so this pump, if you'll remember, it's always right at the tank, because it really doesn't generate a lot of vacuum and it takes a lot to prime it. We're not dragging that all the way in there. So We're going to try to get it to work out here. Which I don't know, but we'll be positive. You boys ready?
Not yet.
All right, may take a little bit to prime it.
I'm just putting up.
You guys got pads in there?
Absolutely.
Yeah. Corey's just putting the screen on it. Okay. Wish us luck. All right.
You ready?
You're ready. Give it a rip.
Hold it.
Oh man, we should have used the shortest hose here. But I got it, Sam. Open this door for me, would you?
Hold it. It's going. It's going.
We're trying. Oh, there it is. Success. Okay, it's like a struggle. I need everybody's help to get me into this crawl space. Pretty clean now, huh?
Yeah.
That is the direct result of a good fuel oil distributor. Okay, they have got that tank nice and clean now. So we are ready to cut it in pieces. I think they're measuring just to see if we can take it out in 2 or if we've got to cut it into 3. Off too.
Okay. You still got it?
Yeah, he does.
I got it.
Okay. So I'm behind the tank now.
Behind it now, Dad.
We should have cut this other side. This car.
It's all good. Alright, you can drop it.
One down. Hey, you want to set it on this thing? Yeah, these ASTs, they're easy, right?
What time's it?
Unbelievable.
I'd rather do this.
Where's he going?
8:57.
8:57.
Add up.
Right here.
What?
Hey, he never would have been able to do that if he didn't lose all that weight.
He wouldn't have got in. It's like.
slice here now.
Yeah.
Yeah, it got you.
Yeah.
It got you.
You alright, Corey?
Here.
Yeah, I'm good.
You bleeding?
Yeah.
Blood everywhere.
It's not that bad though. It looks bad.
Just wash my head, please.
All right, we're muscling through this.
Everybody hold your side. Ready?
Yeah.
Round of applause.
Dude, one slip and you're hitting your shin right there.
You got that on video.
Looks like Corey's got to cut it one more time.
What?
No,
No
we don't have to cut
way.
anything.
That's beautiful.
Sure you do.
What do you mean?
We'll make it easier, but go ahead. This will be fun to record.
We need to fucking
Keep in mind, one slice right there.
clean your fucking elbow.
No swearing on
You
YouTube.
can blur it out. Clean your elbow. No. I'm a badass.
No, we gotta leave it. We gotta leave it.
Bad bleep.
Get some sympathy. You should spin that around and slice it one more time, but
No
we're gonna
way.
watch this show.
No way. No reason to. You alright?
Yeah, I'm breathing in this toxins.
The toxins.
So this is the easy part. It's when you're getting it out of there.
That I know that.
Hey, I don't know why you just don't cut it. I mean, I know it's gonna seem like a loss
You shush over there.
to me.
You shush.
All right, but if it would already be cut already,
You shush.
the simple cut.
Give me this. Huh?
They don't want to cut it. Look, so stubborn. Cause that would mean I was right. They don't want me to be right. I'm stupid. You're not cutting it, are you?
Doing the other one first.
Want to think about it some more?
No.
Did good, Corey. You did good. Woo!
Sweating.
Now let's see what they do. It's a pride thing now. Corey's over there licking his wounds. Nah. You're a bleeder though. That's good. Good blood circulation. That's good. When you get old like me, nothing moves.
Only a couple.
Yeah, that's right. Multiple.
What?
What's he doing? Looks like Sammy went in to cut. Try to surprise everybody. He wanted to do it quickly so nobody saw. That's all right. The victorious moment for me.
Yeah, it is.
It is.
I could have got it out.
I feel it.
We could have got it out.
I feel. Say you're wrong.
We're wrong.
Just say it, Mike.
I could have got it out.
Yeah, we could have, but we would have damaged the house, and
Never.
we would have had more victims bleeding like Corey, needing tetanus shots.
I think.
But see, Sammy's pride, he ran in there and quickly did it.
Oh, that's the first thing he did all day.
True that. High five. Absolutely. Yeah, it's going to have to be turned up.
You gotta come back out.
Gotta go corner to corner. Tilt it a little. There you go. Yep. Hey, you never would have got that out not cut. For all you metal fabricators, I'm sure you're drooling right now because that's some good metal right here he's bringing out. Look at that. Johnny. Come on, John, look at that. Nice. You could make a bunch of spoons and forks with that. Sammy seems angry.
Yeah, he does.
Why?
I don't know.
You're your brother. Why is he angry?
It's just him.
It's just Sam.
It's a sassy boy.
He's sassy.
Yeah.
I mean, you could make fenders on trailers with that. A lot of cool stuff. Instead, I'm going to get a nickel per ton for it. Ten times the amount that I get per view. But last night we're up to $67, Mr. YouTube. He's paying me. And the last of the 275 that has been heating this family, this home, since 1974. We put her to rest. That's it. Now, believe it or not, we have to sit here and wait for the code enforcer to look at that. You believe that? These guys. What's he? What would he fail? What would he fail here?
I've seen some holes in ASDs.
I know, but what's he gonna fail though? If he comes here, what would he fail?
Nothing.
If there were holes in the tank, we've already
Copper.
called it in.
Copper.
If we didn't remove the copper,
patched.
okay.
Copper
Alright.
removed, holes are patched.
And the
That's
holes,
really
but the holes are patched already back there.
That's what they always look at.
Good point, Mike.
That's it, Joe.
Okay, folks, it is 9:22. We have a 1 o'clock inspection. I am not waiting. I appreciate you guys all watching this week. That was a fun week. I really was worried without Craig because he is a major player in this company. But I'm a little proud of ourselves that we made some money. Normally we do basically shut down. So hopefully Craig had fun. You'll see him back on Monday. And on Monday, we're going to Westchester County to do a underground tank removal in a tight area and a manifold install. So we'll hit him hard as soon as he gets back. But I appreciate everybody watching. That's another fine job by Tank Masters Environmental. Everybody have a great weekend.